The Tribit Quiet Plus ANC headphones. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. In this video, we'll take a look at the Tribit Quiet Plus ANC headphones. These are an over-the-ear style. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C charge cable and 3.5mm audio cable, and a storage case. The Quiet Plus features 30 hours of listening time and it takes 3 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.0 and has CVC 8.0 for noise reduction, 40mm drivers, button controls, USB-C for charging, active noise cancellation, and it's IPX5 sweat and water resistant. The headphones are lightweight and have a sleek design to them. The ear cups do fold in for easier storage, and you have the ear markings inside the ear cups. They have a nice oval shape to them and have soft padding all around. The upper half of the headband is padded as well on the inside, but doesn't wrap around. Taking a look at the adjustments, it clicks into each level and there is a good amount of travel. And you can see it's very flexible. The outer face of each ear cup has a Tribit branding, and on the left side there are no controls. All the controls are on the right side. On the right side you'll find the following: volume, power button, power LED, ANC LED, ANC switch, 3.5mm input, USB-C charge port, and microphone. The power button will also act as a multi-function button, which will allow you to navigate playback and call controls. The headphones weigh in at approximately 260 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
It's not you, it's me, it's he. It's not love or passion. There's something desperately wrong with me. It's not fair to you, I know, and I'm sorry I can't let it go. There's something desperately.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Tribit Quiet Plus ANC microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone worked well during calls and it came in loud and clear. Other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was also instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency, and range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Quiet Plus headphones. I found them to be comfortable and they didn't feel tight at all. Easy to adjust and are fairly light, and it should have no issues fitting a wide range of head sizes. Build and quality is good. Simple and sleek design with a plastic build quality. It does feel durable, and I like the oval shape of the ear cups, as it provides a good overall seal around the ears. I do wish they swiveled. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 30 hours, and I like the fact that it has an IPX5 rating. And navigating the controls are fairly easy once you get used to the placement and functions. The ANC feature blocked out a lot of the surrounding noise when activated, and it can reduce up to 35 decibels. Now when it comes to sound, I found the bass to be sufficient. It's not overwhelming or boosted, just has the right amount of punch. Mids and highs are a bit forward. Vocals come in clear and really stand out. When ANC is on, there is no noticeable difference in sound. Overall, the sound experience to me was pleasant, and I feel that it was balanced. It did well with various music genres that I tested it with. The ANC feature was also in line with many of the other ANC headphones that I've tested in the past. It performed with no issues. So that is my review of the Tribit Quiet Plus ANC headphones. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unbox. Take care, everyone.